Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you about VLOOKUP and how to use it in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a table in which we have a column of capitals with their countries and the continent. So uh, and here we have few of the capitals and I want their countries and the continent to come in front of them uh, automatically using a formula. So instead of doing it manually, so here comes the VLOOKUP. What VLOOKUP does is it will search this capital in this table array and it will put the country in front of it in column F and it will put the continent in column G. So let's see how it works. So for the country, we'll start typing with equals to VLOOKUP, then bracket open. Then it says the lookup value. So lookup value is Helsinki. Then again comma. Then the table array in which it has to search for Helsinki. So this is the table where it has to search. We'll select that table and we'll press F4 to lock this table. Then comma. Then column index number. This means the number of column in that table array that we have selected from where you want the value to come from. So this is the column number 2. So we'll press 2, then again comma, then range lookup. So for now we need the exact match and so we'll type false. It automatically picks the country from this table. Now if we want the continent to come here in this column, then again we'll use VLOOKUP, bracket open. Lookup value is again Helsinki. Table array is again this, but this time we'll log this table. This time column index number is 3 and range lookup is again false. Press enter. So for the rest of the capitals we just have to select it and we have already logged the table. So we just have to drag from the bottom right corner till New Delhi and will automatically picks the countries and the continent names from this table. So this was just a brief overview of the VLOOKUP table. I hope you guys find this video informative. So please like my video and subscribe to my channel.